Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well and that you're ready for another awesome paracord project. Today we're going to use this red paracord 550, also this beautiful green paracord 550. Before we start the full tutorial how to make this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends, you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box, where you can find the tutorial for this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today as well, so make sure to check the information cards and description box. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna take the feed to insert our red paracord into the core. So we're gonna detach it from the jig and we're gonna insert our red from the top. Let me just zoom a bit. From the top in between these 2 strands of cow's hitches and through. Now we're gonna return it from the back as well between the 2 cow's hitches. So from the back, let me just make it through. Okay. Now from here we're gonna take the ends of a red strand and we're gonna pull them together so we have the equal length on the both sides. Now we created our bracelet core and working ends, so we can start. I'm gonna take the left side green and pass it from the top into the middle between the core strands and to the side. Then we're gonna do the same with the right side green, so from the top into the middle and to the left side. Now from here we're gonna cross our cords, so I'm gonna take again the left side red and then I'm gonna pass it from the top into the middle between the first and second core strand from this right side. Then we're gonna return it from the back again through the same gap, like so. Now we're gonna take the right side red and we're gonna pass it as well. So cross it on top of this left side red and pass it from the top into the middle into the gap between first and second core strand from the left side. And now we're gonna return it from the back through the same gap, and now we're gonna tie this and proceed. So from here we're gonna take the left side green and pass it again from the top into the middle of the core strands, and with the right side green as well from the top into the middle and to the side. Now we're gonna take the left side red and we're gonna pass it again from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side, but this time we're gonna return it from the back through this loop on the right side. So from the back through and pull it. Now we're gonna do the same with the right side red, cross it on top of the left side red, and then from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the left side, and from the back we're gonna return it through the loop on the left. Now we're gonna cinch it and proceed. So this is the first 2 weaves. We're gonna repeat all the way down. So take the left side green from the top into the middle and to the side. Right side green again from the top into the middle and to the side. Then we're gonna take the left side red, pass it from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the right side. Return it from the back through the same gap. Now we're gonna take the right side red, we're gonna cross it on top of the left side red, and from the top we're gonna insert it into the gap between first and second core strand on the left side, and then return it from the back through the same gap. Then we're gonna cinch it. Left side green from the top into the middle. Right side green again from the top into the middle. Now the left side red from the top into the gap between first and the second fourth strand on the right side. Around and from the back through the loop on the right. Then with the right side red from the top into the gap between first and second fourth strand on the left side. And then we're going to return it from the back through the loop on the left side. Cinch it and proceed. And here we are, we finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. That being said, I wish you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!